Hi guys, today I'm doing this video from my restaurant August 15, and this video is special for Mother's Day. I got a lot of requests for making our restaurant favorite Poori Aloo for the Mother's Day special, so we're doing it especially for the mothers who are very important in our life. This Poori Aloo is inspired from Calcutta's luchi aloo. So it's not very similar to that. I put my own style in it, but it is truly Indian. So we use panchforon spices to flavor our potato curry, and we make our luchi stuffed. Traditionally luchis are plain, but we do stuffed. So there are some variations, to make it, to more of our style than the traditional one, and hope you guys gonna enjoy it. So this is special for the mothers and their mothers, if they want to cook it for them. So happy Mother's Day and enjoy this recipe. Heat oil, kalonji, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds. Allow them to crackle. Red chili whole, pinch of hing, ginger garlic paste. Saute ginger garlic paste for a minute. Slow down your flame now, and we're gonna add turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, salt to taste. Add little water, and we're gonna cook it for another 1 minute. So when all the spices nicely blend and you start getting cooked spice smell, add tomatoes. So our tomatoes are nicely cooked. You can see the oil on the sides. Add potatoes, slices, and add some water so that the potatoes get cooked nicely. Meanwhile, our potato curry is getting ready. Let's make the stuffing for the puri. Heat oil in a pan. Add chopped ginger. Add green chili chop. Okay, again. Add blanch crushed green peas and saute for a minute. Add salt to taste. Saute it till the green peas kind of get dry, so that they don't leave any water while we're stuffing them in the puris. So our green peas are looking nicely dried. And chopped cilantro and chaat masala. Give it a nice mix and set aside to let it get cool. And meanwhile, we're gonna make our puri dough. Take a bowl, add flour, carom seeds, salt, add cream, add milk, add lukewarm water. Now we're gonna mix it to make a dough. We're gonna add oil. So it took us hardly 5 to 6 minutes to make this dough, and we're gonna rest it for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna make our puris. So let's check our potato curry. So our potato curry is ready. To check whether it is ready or not, just press the potato. If it gets mashed, your potato curry is ready. So now partially mash your potatoes so that you get a required thickness to your curry. So the consistency is gonna be like this. Garnish, I'm using crispy fried onions. So for that, slice your onions thick, and then we're gonna make make a batter for this. This is completely optional. If you don't want to do it, you can avoid this step, but this adds an extra crunch to the dish. Take onion in a bowl and take out the segments. Add paprika, salt, and now we have to mix this. Now it's gonna ooze a lot of water. Meanwhile, let's stuff our pooris. So 2 cups of flour dough gonna give you 12 balls like this. Now we're gonna stuff them. So for stuffing, make a depression in the middle. Like this. And now take a spoonful of green peas mix and just from one corner. Like this, and give it a soft roll and keep it in the side. So rest your stuff cleared up for another 10 minutes, and then we're gonna make poori out of it. So let's finish our garnish crispy onion now. Add all-purpose flour, rice flour. Now mix it. And sprinkles water around half tablespoon. Look like this, kind of a thick coat of batter over the onions. Fry in the oil. So the temperature of the oil is somewhere around 300 to 325 degree Fahrenheit. Too much hot oil gonna keep the color quickly, and they're not gonna be cooked and crispy. So allow them to cool, they're gonna be more crispy. And let's make our pooris now. Oil on your rolling pin and oil on the surface. We're not gonna use any dry flour, otherwise that make your oil dirty. Apply some oil and then it is soft and roll it into puri. You can make it round or an oval shape. For puris, the temperature of the oil need to be somewhere around 400 degree Fahrenheit. Place the puris very softly like this. And add some coriander as a garnish. Okay. Add crispy onions. And puri. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you very much guys for watching this video.